I'm feeling extra free today, boys. Ooh, boy. Look at that rail. The only thing that sucks is it's been so cold that we have to wait a few days between coats just to get it all covered. And I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell on here, but we put each rail at a 5-degree angle so that hopefully water runs off and doesn't stay stagnant on top of the railing. Goal for today, sand and paint all the door frames. You really don't realize how many doors and doorways are in your house until you have to take all the doors off. There's a lot. It's all about the fine details. What?
No.
You making fun of me?
No, you probably did the one.
See, the problem with these doorways is that whoever made them sucked at making them. So they got all these gaps they gotta be filled. My hands look like this, so my house could look like this. Look at that, seamless. It is 11:15 and I just got done painting. And I'm only painting the trim. I got 2 coats on most of the doorways. I got the windowsills. Also, well, I only got 1 coat on the windowsills. Because it's cold and nothing dries as fast as I need it to. We got 1 fan, really bright light. We got another fan. We got another fan. And then the colorful fan. Got a lot done today. Sanded all the doorways. Painted all the doorways. Looking at it now, they definitely need a little bit of touch up, even with 2 coats, but I say that's a job well done. It's crazy how just a little bit of trim paint, instead of having that ugly wood color, how it just transforms a house. We just had all the sheetrock finished, textured, taped up, whatever you gotta do with sheetrock. I don't know, because I didn't do it. Boy, the biggest project was in here. Remember the gross ass cabinet area? It was all tore up. They repaired all that. They repaired somewhat right here. They cut about a foot off the wall right there where the shower used to be. And we finally got sheetrock here. The plan is to just put some shelves and keep it like that. I think the only thing that bothers me is with the trim being so white now, you can tell what else is not white, especially those doors. They look super yellow now. And that trim ain't even painted yet. Every time we do a lot of work, it seems like we're getting closer and closer, yet we're still so far away. But it'll get there. Hope if Mama by my birthday. That'd be a great birthday present, be able to move in here. In my own house that I've been owning for almost 2 months. And I don't even live in yet. And today is Saturday, so we're gonna come back tomorrow, get more stuff done, get all the trim painted, probably start on the cabinets. But for now, I'm going to get some Taco Bell. So, till next time, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Goodbye.